Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. Good day everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So for today, I'm excited guys to share to you my suman recipe. And alam niyo guys, ang suman is isa sa mga nakalakihan kong kinakain sa aming province of Tarlac dahil lagi prepare ito ng aking lola. And for today, i-share ko naman sa inyo ang version ko ng suman out of cassava. And lalagyan ko din siya ng twist guys kasi dadagdagan ko siya ng ube. Okay? So, natry nyo na po ba ang suman cassava ube? Kung hindi pa guys, tara, samahan nyo ulit ako sa aking journey of cooking and we will prepare our yummy suman. Okay? So, let's start our preparation, guys. So, ito yung mga prepare kong ingredients natin for our suman recipe. So, of course, guys, meron tayong grated cassava. So, itong cassava, guys, is fresh. Binalatan ko and grenade ko siya, guys. So, 1 kilo of cassava. And then, of course, since lalagyan ko siya ng ube, fresh ube din, guys. So, pinakuluan ko siya and then grated. That is half kilo. And then, the other ingredients ay may shredded buko. So, 1 buko. And then, pinakayod ko na kay Manong magbubuko. And of course, meron tayong 1 cup of first piga ng coconut cream and 1/2 cup of sugar. So, you can also use brown sugar. So, ang available at home ngayon ay white. So, I will use the white one. And of course, ang ating pangbalot sa ating suman ay ang banana leaves. Okay? So, ito lang po yung mga ingredients natin na kakailanganin for ating suman recipe. So, let's start the preparation, guys. Okay? So, let's start our preparation, guys. So, sa ating bowl, let's put half cup of coconut milk muna. Half cup muna. Kasi, bakit half cup muna? Kasi, kung medyo nadamihan natin ng coconut milk, so medyo maano siya, diba? Mabasa-basa. So, kaya, tansyahin muna natin, guys. So, first, half cup muna. And then, of course, sugar. So, 1/4 cup muna. Then, haluin natin. Tignan natin, guys. Dagdagan natin ng sugar. So, mas maganda, guys, na kulang kaysa sobra. Kasi, pagka kulang, madali lang mag-remedy. Right? Okay, and then, let's put our 1 kilo grated cassava. Okay? Mix well, guys. Then, let's put our shredded buko. Another thing, guys, na hinati ko ang ating coconut cream at sugar is because magsiseparate tayo ng ng pure cassava and then the other one is with mixture of ube. Okay? So, after mixing well, guys, hatiin natin ang ating mixture. Okay? Kasi the other half of this is lalagyan natin siya ng ube. Okay? So, hating kapatid. Ayan. Okay, so let's set aside this one and then this mixture, let's put our grated ube. Ang ganding ng ube, guys, no? Violet na violet. Maganda yung nabili ko. Ayan. Then let's put the coconut milk, remaining coconut milk. And then the remaining sugar. So kung kulang pa sa tamis guys, dagdagan nyo na lang ng sugar, or kung mas gusto nyo ng creamy guys, pwede rin condensed milk ang ilagay nyo. Yan. So mix well. Then after mixing well, ready na nating balutin ang ating suman with banana leaves. Okay guys, so we're ready to make balot-balot our mixture para mag-form ng suman, okay? And by the way guys, sa ating banana leaves, make sure guys na i-ano natin siya sa apoy. Bakit? Para mas maging soft yung leaves niya at hindi madaling mag-crack, okay? Like this one. Okay, all done guys. So para lang siyang maging mas soft at hindi madaling mag-crack. Okay guys, so make sure din na yung ating banana leaves ay malinis. So, pwede nyo punasan ng cloth or tissue. Okay? So, let's start. So, first guys, kukuha tayo ng mixture, yung white one without ube. So, kung pang business nyo, kailangan kayong mag-measurement. So, since ako for pagkain lang sa bahay, so wala nang sukat-sukat guys, okay? Yan. So ang gagawin ko, gitna ang white one, and then yung sa may ube, siya yung nasa gilid. Okay, then let's balot-balot guys.
Ano ba yan? Balot-balot naman.
Ganda, di ba? Then kung may sobra dito, pwede nyo nang putulin. Yan, okay. And then flip side by side. Ayan guys, and then tie with banana leaves din to guys. Ayan. Huwag nyo ganong tighten, basta lang ma-close lang natin para hindi pumasok yung tubig. Kasi yung iba parang hindi na nila tinatay, flip lang ng banana. Okay, so nakaisa na tayo, one down. Let's put sa ating lagayan guys. So, same procedure. Okay guys, all done. So, next one is, or next step is, yung iba guys, ini-steam nila, pero ako, iboboil natin ang ating suman. Okay? Okay guys, so, lagay na natin siya sa lagayan, sa lutuan natin. So, naglagay ako guys ng dahon ng saging sa bottom para at least hindi siya dumikit or para maiwasan din masunog ang ating suman. Okay? Okay, and then let's put water guys. As mentioned, papakuluan natin ang ating suman. Yung iba kasi guys is they steam it. So, ako, ang nakalakihan kong way ng paggawa namin ng suman ay binuboil po ng lola ko, ng inang ko. Okay? And then of course, let's cover with natirang dahon. Okay, so let's boil guys for 30 minutes or until maluto ang ating suman. Okay? So, see you in a bit guys once our suman is ready. Okay? Ayan guys, luto na siya. Okay. So, cool down lang natin, i-drain natin, cool down, and it's tasting time guys. So, ito na guys ang ating finished product. Ayan o. Sarap. So, try natin buksan pa yung iba. Isa, try natin magbukas. Okay, so madali lang tong gawin guys. Kaya, try now after this video.
Wow!
Ayan guys. Okay, yummy. So, it's tasting time guys. Ang lagkit ng kasaba guys, and hinaluan pa natin ng ube, mas pinasarap. And then, the freshness din ng buko, ng shredded buko. And, habang ninunguya mo, talagang malalasahan mong the ingredients are all natural. Masarap guys. And hindi siya ganong matamis. Saktong-sakto yung asukal natin na niligay. For 1 kilogram of cassava, 1/2 cup lang po. Kasi I'm not into sweet, matamis. Okay na. Sana guys, matry niyo po ito at home and serve to your loved ones, and for sure magugustuhan nila to. Masarap na pang breakfast, of course pang merienda din, and pwede rin niyo po itong pagkakitaan. Okay? And best for Christmas na rin na panghanda, lalo na sa New Year kasi malagkit. Di ba sabi nila pagka sticky, mas okay para intact ang family. Okay? So thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Bye for now. I love you all guys. Take care.